Meaning of factory farm.
Factory farm.
Factory farm.
Factory farm.
Factory farm. A factory farm is a large-scale industrial facility that focuses on intensive animal agriculture, usually with the goal of maximizing production and minimizing costs. Animals are often confined to small, crowded spaces and subjected to conditions that can cause stress, injury, and disease. Hormones and antibiotics are commonly used to promote growth and prevent illness, leading to concerns about food safety and antibiotic resistance. Factory farming has been criticized for its negative environmental impact, including pollution and deforestation. Additionally, many people believe that factory farming is an unethical practice that prioritizes profits over the well-being of animals.